sit and watch a woman, not just to rule us, but to take the best suffering of our product. Are we no longer men? We need to act fast. We need to do something about this. And why is everybody acting as if nothing is happening? Why is everybody acting so dormant like nothing is happening? Eh?
I don't know, my brother. I can't believe that we are all weak and that we have lost our strength. Our dignity has been defiled. A woman now forges the way we follow. She makes the laws and we obey like slaves. Our prince, the heir apparent to the throne, died the night to his coronation. And all of us kept quiet. The princess, she's missing. We don't even know whether she's dead or alive. Our king, Igwe Ochoba, died like a fowl. Not even a cow's burial was given to him. Or did he have a burial?
Male woman. What should we do? It seems like we have no men in Yoruba kingdom. How can a woman treat us as a slave in this kingdom? Well, seriously, I think we should do something about it. We have to do something about this before this woman takes over this kingdom. We have to do something about this.
What are we to do? We have no chief priest. Olamiri had made herself the priestess of Uzurumba, and she declared that every problem should be reported to her, and that no one should go to another land to seek for solution.
We have to stop her before she destroys us. This thing is getting out of hand. We need to stop her.
We have
to do something.
Yes.
We have to do something. We must do something about this. We must do something. I don't know why everybody is keeping quiet as if nothing is happening. We must do something.
Olamiri, authorize
let the ritual of blood never run dry.
Olamiri, Mila Sadikolonotu,
The keeper of the seven seas.
Olamiri,
Ezewanyimiri.
Why leave your old mother to serve me?
To prevent your wrath from befalling us, your majesty.
Now, what makes you think you have escaped my wrath?
Why? Why will you take away the only thing that matters to me? Why, Queen Mother? I pledged my loyalty to you because I never wanted any calamity to befall my loved one.
I am Olamiri, the keeper of the 7 seas. I know why you're here. Your mission is to destroy me. But I must tell you something. You are now my convert. You can never destroy me.
No! No! This is an abomination. Yeah, Balo. Olamiri, our labor, our crops, everything gone within a twinkle of an eye. The falling of a green leaf is a warning to the dried one.
Exactly.
If you allow this, more would happen. No. No! We are going. I said, Ozurumba will not allow this. What do we do? Now we will go to Obata Kingdom. We will consult Anyago for solution. No. No, we cannot allow Olamiri to accomplish her evil mission in this our great kingdom. It is not done. Enough is enough. Yes, this is totally unacceptable. We will not accept this. Olamiri's mission will not accomplish in this community. Never. It will not be accomplished. Never. We must fight for this. I said we must fight for this.
I greet you, my elders.
Yes, we greet you.
Please don't be frightened by the sound of my voice. You need to see how the fire is raging before you understand how desperate the situation is. And in the history of our people, it has never been said that we bow down to our enemies. No. We must stand up and fight this evil witch they call Olamiri. Oh no, your warriors, the youth, they are ready even to go now.
I like the voice. I like the sound.
We must.
I know what you can do.
I like the sound of your voice, young man.
We must.
I know what you can do. What? What? He's on do. My brother, he's on do. He's on do. He's on do.
Evil is ruling the land, oh, yeah. We don't know where to hide, oh, hey. We call on the gods for help, oh, hey. For evil is taking over our land, hey. Who we fight for us? Who we go for us? People are dying. Mothers are crying, eh, because of our land, oh. Now beg with the bag, oh. In a woman, Chenya, in a woman, Chewere Viveji, eh, Ndio Poto no the Cheno, eh, yeah. Evil is ruling the land, oh, yeah. We don't know where to hide, oh, hey. We call on us.
Mama, good afternoon. Mama, you're still crying. Mama, you have to stop crying. You have to stop. Everything will be fine. Fine. How's your mother? She's fine. And she said I should tell you to stop weeping. She said I should tell you that everything will be alright. Okay? You have to stop. Have you eaten?
I don't have appetite for food.
Come on. You have to eat. You have to eat something. I insist, you must eat. I'm going inside to go and prepare what you're going to eat. Mama, you will eat something. Do you want to die? Please. I'm sorry, but I'm going inside. It's okay. Mama, sorry. Please. Sorry.
Please just calm down, okay? Stop crying. Everything's all
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ma. How are you?
Fine, Mom. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Please, what of Okando?
Okando? He should be in his room with Uzamaka. Or maybe he has escorted her home.
Okay.
But you can still check his room.
Okay, okay. Let me check in quickly.
Okay.
Okando!
Who can you? Mama, who can you? Who can
lost my only surviving son. But she killed my son. She must suffer for killing my son.
You're lying against my daughter. She's innocent. She did not kill me. Johannes, I did not kill him. I wasn't even close to his house. How can I even kill him?
You did. You evil child. You have made me childless. Is this not your scam? Don't deny it. Deny it, evil child and evil mother.
Your Highness, my daughter is innocent. She was with me all through the night yesterday. She went nowhere. He can swear.
Your Majesty, I suggest you seek answers from us. To avoid making mistakes.
Your Majesty, I suppose you cure those. We don't know whether she's guilty or not. Let us seek answers from the gods.
You see, that which brought us to your presence in this realm is a very important matter. Let us inquire from the gods.
I am Olamiri. I am the goddess. You said you did not enter the house.
No, Your Majesty, no.
Woman, step aside.
No, 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 Mama.
Liquor!
Yes, Queen Mother.
Attend to her.
No,
Evil is ruling the land. We don't know where to hide. Hey, we call on the gods for help. Hey, for evil is taking over our land. Hey, who we fight for? Who we go for? People are dying. Mothers are crying, hey, because of our land, now back with
Liquor,
Mother.
fetch Isioma at once.
Yes, Mother.
Isioma,
Yes, Queen Mother.
are you through with the preparations?
Yes, Queen Mother.
What about the men? Are they ready for me?
They are ready, Queen Mother.
Good. You may leave now.
Olamiri.
We need to do something. Please save my brother. Save Uzurumba, please.
It is too late. He is no more alive.
What are you saying?
Your brother is dead.
Father, what should we do? How do we save Uzurumba? How can we destroy her?
Son, Olamiri has become immortal. You cannot destroy her.
What? We just have to look for a way to save Uzurumba Kingdom.
I'm no longer interested in trying to save Uzurumba. My only brother is gone. I wouldn't want to die for what I know nothing about.
My princess, we have to save our kingdom.
Father, did you say our kingdom?
Yes, our kingdom. A lot happened in the past in Uzurumba kingdom. We will talk about that later. All we need to discuss now is how to save Uzurumba.
But you said she cannot be destroyed.
Olamiri cannot be destroyed because she's a goddess herself. But we can destroy the power she possesses with wisdom and intelligence.
How? I don't understand.
By destroying that which is precious to her, which is Uzondo's heart.
Uzondo's heart? How?
Olamiri had an agreement with Ekemiri to work for her. And if she is able to get the heart of Uzondo and bury it in Uzurumba kingdom, then we are all doomed. But if we're able to get the heart and destroy it ourselves, then Olamiri will leave Uzurumba kingdom forever.
So how do we get the heart?
Thank God I made both of you here. Thank God I made both of you here. Oh no, what has happened?
What happened? What happened?
Oh no, who is dead?
Oh, there are things you don't joke with. Of no.
Ikenga, do I look like a small boy to you?
We are talking of the king, not knowing where he's whereabout. Now, no, who is dead? What is happening in this kingdom?
Oh no.
He's dead. Dead. Please, no, let me get my down. What? 1 minute. I'm coming. Wait, you said, oh no, it's what? You want more DJ. Hey! Can you look at me? Whoa!
Where are we going to start?
Isioma.
Yes, Queen Mother.
Come forth. The time has come for you to undertake the task that brought you to my kingdom. You shall lead my words to Okoli. There you shall get me the heart. The heart that I so much desire. Beware. Anyago has sent his son Obiago to this same river. He must not get there. You shall leave at full moon. Yes.
I do not enter the house of a widow with fear in my eyes, because I know where her husband is. Wedike wedike, wasifike menobodo, obodo achobadike.
Obiago, son of Anyago, return to your land.
Else you shall be destroyed and consumed by the keeper of the seven seas.
Ozurumba kingdom cannot stand her anger. By their blood, her cup shall overflow.
The scores of her sons and daughter she shall use to decorate her throne.
Their tears will flow like a river.
There will be no end to their sorrow and anguish.
Their carcass, the vultures of the hills, shall feed on.
Retreat and return in peace now that you can.
Else, your end shall be like the fate of Ozurumba kingdom.
All I could hear are the cries, the weeping of my people crying for justice. This is a just fight. I, Obiago, I fight for justice and equity. This is a cause which I live for and which I am willing to die for. A roll call was made in the school of fear. And my name, Obiago. My name, Obiago, was found absent. Obiago! Obiago!
after our warnings, you still persisted. This is when you end.
Every kingdom has a rule. Every band of warriors have a code. Every form of worship has a doctrine. But the only rule I, Obiago, apply to life is get it done, or you die trying. I am the proverbial fly on the scrotum. If you leave me there, I dry up your scrotal fluid. If you decide to crush me, you burst your scrotal sack. Ejimo ofo, ejimo ogu, ejimi ife kali lofo kali ogu. Nyabu, emelumgene. Stay off my path and let me go!
No one dares the great Olamiri, the keeper of 7 great seas, and stay alive. No one! No one!
Chop my day to the once, or Mapa de Guau. Uburata Sadi. Uburata is your matum when you go to Tayada. He who wants to remove the mountain must first remove the pebbles beside the mountain.
You have been like this all day. Yet you have refused to tell me what the problem is. What is it?
My daughter, you won't understand. I pray Obiago comes back alive with the encounter I had yesterday.
So what do we do?
I don't know. Now I know. that Olamiri is more evil than I thought. I pray Obiago comes back alive. But I perceive danger.
Papa, he's back. Papa.
Father, I'm sorry. I failed. I failed.
Son, I am relieved to have you back. But my heart bleeds because Olamiri will not spare Ozurumba Kingdom. She will not only come to destroy Ozurumba Kingdom, but she will come after us. Without the heart, we stand no chance in bringing our evil reign to an end.
We can still stop her.
How? I mean, how is that possible with all the power she possesses?
I have all it takes to destroy her.
Who are you?
I am Isioma.
Isioma, the maiden chosen by the gods to destroy Olamiri.
Who are you?
Don't worry. You're safe.
Please, do not harm me.
Calm down. You need all the rest that you can get. Okay? You're safe.
Lika,
Yes, Queen Mother.
summon the others.
Yes, Mother.
How I have longed for this day. When I will finally crush you traitors. Isioma. From the day you chose to serve me, I've always known that you're a traitor. But I was not perturbed. Because it is the path that will lead to your destruction. Time has come for us to feed on their flesh and drink from their skull.
Olamiri, whatever that has a beginning must have an end. The chain of your evil in this kingdom has come to an end today.
The fairy tale will continue to glorify the hunter until the lion has its own storyteller. We have come to take back Ozurumba Kingdom. We have come to salvage our people from your evil grip.
Little boy. Little boy. That your miserable life that was spent that day was not a mistake. I kept you for the day of sacrifice. And that day is here.
I am your end, Olamiri. To that I was born, and that I must fulfill.
Olamiri, you believe you're untouchable because you buried a heart you think was the heart of Uzondo. You never knew it was the wrong heart.
You lie!
I have that, which is so much.
Father,
we did it.
The great son of Uzurumba. Ubiago. You're welcome.
Thank you, Nai.
My daughter.
No.
Today is a great day, a blessed day, a happy day in this Uzurumba land. Today I bless you in the name of the gods. As you ascend this throne, the gods of our land shall lead you. The gods of our land shall bless you. We shall have prosperity under your watch. Progress. Life. Security. With this union, this throne shall never lack a successor. From generation to generation. I bless you this day in the name of our gods.